I'm Charlie Schweik. I'm a faculty member at the University of Massachusetts Amherst, and I'm a member of the Executive Council of the International Association for the Study of the Commons, or IASC. The IASC is the leading professional association dedicated to the commons and is devoted to bringing together researchers, practitioners, and policymakers for the purpose of improving governance and management, advancing understanding, and creating sustainable solutions for commons, common pool resources, or any other form of shared resource. This year, we're excited to report that IASC is organizing a first Commons Week, or what we call the World Commons Week, from October 4th through the 12th, 2018. This coordinated global event is to highlight and celebrate the many scholars and practitioners worldwide who undertake commons research and practice. World Commons Week starts with a kickoff conference and a policy seminar in Washington, D.C. on October 4th through the 6th, 2018, hosted by Georgetown Law School and the International Food Policy Research Institute. Next, from October 6th to the 11th, local events will occur all over the globe. These include teach-ins and seminars on commons issues at universities, as well as community discussions by organizations undertaking commons-related practice. Finally, on October 12, 2018, World Commons Week closes with a marathon of 24 hours of live webinars by prominent commons scholars and practitioners who work on commons issues within each time zone. A new webinar will be given at each noon hour UTC time as the world turns. These webinars will be recorded and archived on the IASC website for people who can't attend the live sessions. So we hope you'll participate in this first worldwide celebratory event. Now, how? Well, if you're in Washington, D.C., you can sign up to attend the policy seminar or the in-person conference on the website on your screen. Or you can organize your own local event. There's still time, and let us know about it through posting information on this website shown on the screen. Third, attend one or more of the noontime webinars that we're offering. And fourth, consider donating to support IASC in its effort to promote global commons scholarship and practice. Or if you're not already a member, consider joining IASC and starting your own membership. So in short, thanks for listening, and we hope you'll join IASC and others worldwide in celebrating commons research and practice on World Commons Week, October 4th through the 12th, 2018. Thanks for your time.